Hey guys, how you doing? Today's a new day, and a new day brings a new challenge for the Subaru and myself. So today we're going to be doing something to the interior of the car. Now, I did mention in my first ever video that I wanted to make my own STI door cards, but that kind of hasn't gone to plan since, one, I can't find the colour that matches the seats, or like the STI blue colour, and two, that would be a hell of a lot of work, and it'd be just easier to get some door cards. So the other day I was on eBay and some door cards, a full set of door cards, came across, and they were such a good price and so close to where I live that I couldn't resist buying them. So I went, picked them up, and here they are. So these are the door cards. These are from either a bug eye or a blob eye, I wouldn't be able to tell, but they're in great condition. I think one of them's got a few scratches on them, but I don't really mind that because it's actually one of the rears that has scratches on them. But today we're going to be putting these in and cleaning them up. So the plan is that I'm going to do the fronts first, and then I'm probably going to do the rears. And I'll just take you along with me doing one of them, and then I'll just put the rest on, because after we've done one, they're pretty much the same overall. Okay, so to remove the actual door card itself, like the original one, there's a few bolts. So you got one here in the kind of little, I don't know, door handle. Then you got one here in the locking mechanism. Mine's actually missing it, so I will have to replace that. Apart from that, I think it's just a bunch of clips. I'm just going to try and get this off and see how well it goes. Obviously, once I get it off, like the control panel and all that will have to kind of be disconnected. Hopefully this will go smoothly. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, so we've got the door off now, or the door card off. Now, I did say that this bolt here I didn't have. You don't actually have to take that out. I thought you might have, but it's not. It is just the plastic housing that you have to take off. Apart from that, there's only two bolts really. The one that goes into the little cup holder, then this one here, which basically holds the door card on, and then obviously you just pop all these clips off. They shouldn't break. If they do, you're pulling it wrong and too hard. But yeah, apart from obviously disconnecting the window regulator, that's all done. So let's get this STI door card on, get it cleaned up, and see how it looks. Okay, so the first door card is on, and it looks... Well, I'm gonna just show it to you. So this is the driver's side door card. It looks absolutely amazing with a good clean up. Let's go get the other three door cards on and see how it all looks. I just thought I'd mention that obviously with the front, the window regulator is connected, and you can just pull it out and disconnect it. With these, the window regulators aren't, so what you're going to have to do is kind of flip it upside down like you've seen me do and disconnect it. It is just kind of a clip on the back. If you've got a long screwdriver, you'll be fine. But then we now have to disconnect this, which I believe is just held on with some clips, and then put them onto the new one. Okay, so the door cards are in the car and they look absolutely amazing. So let me show you.
Perfect.
Thank you so much for watching the video if you've made it this far. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, it really does help. And this has been me, this has been my Subaru, and I'll see you in the next one.